What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about SHIB and how it has continued to push up and rally coming into the second day of this really big push. And I just want to also go over what's going on in the other parts of the market and even in the stock market, because right now you guys got to understand that overall markets pretty much move together. I've said this many times before. If you guys remember, you guys are OGs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. However, when you look at the market, you will see that overall you will see a trend in the entire market versus just a few things. However, everybody's going maybe in the same direction, but SHIB right now is outpacing everyone else, and that is something that you will see throughout all markets, is that some things outpace others, but generally they move in the same direction together. And don't worry, I'll be showing you guys examples of this right here in a second when we hop on over to the computer so I can show you. But real quick, let's also talk about how when we look at the overall market and we're talking about quarters, we are entering the fourth quarter of the year, and we are expecting to see a lot more growth than we have in the third quarter, because just overall, you normally will see a big drop in the market when it comes to the third quarter. And third quarter, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, obviously the year is made up of four quarters if you split it that way, 3 months each. And so third quarter would be between July to September. So then we have July through September, that is your third quarter, and then November till the end of the year, and December, that is your fourth quarter. Fourth quarter tends to perform a lot better than third quarter because everyone just pulls back in the third quarter, and hopefully we can show you guys an example of that coming up right now. So as you guys can see on the laptop, we are currently at 1856, and it's looking really good for Shiba Inu. This is like the second day of its big kind of push up. Everything broke out and it's just looking good. It's continued to make higher highs and higher lows. I will show you that on TradingView. It's a little easier for me to show you here. Okay, so this is on the 1 minute chart. So let's back up so you can see kind of the day. It has been consolidating here for a couple hours now, 2-3 hours. It has been consolidating between upwards of like 19 and down here at around 17, 18. I'm not saying the full number because you guys are just gonna hear me say 0 a million times in this video if that's the case. So if you guys see it's coming down to here, going up to there. I wish that it was a little bit easier for me I could just go this directly, but I'll draw some lines here for you guys so that you guys can understand where I'm showing you the lines at. And let's see if we can clone this one. And this is just basic chart analysis, guys. So as you can see, we are sitting at the lows of around 17.5 and the highs around 19. So it has been consolidating there throughout kind of the course of the last few hours or so. But this morning we saw a huge push from yesterday, which if we back up to like the 30, well, don't even look at 30 minute. We can just look straight up at the 1 minute chart and back up. And, oh no, I lied, sorry. So we're at 30 minute chart. And as you can see right here, it has pushed up, consolidated, pushed up, consolidated. The real question is, are we going to see it break out of the box that is right here and up into higher numbers, or break below and then reconstruct its way down and find a new support? I don't really know. We'd have to look at the overall analysis, and I want to break down a video just looking at overall support levels and major key levels of Shiba Inu to better have an understanding of where it's going to go from here. But this video, I strictly wanted to show you guys what the update was for today, and also want to let you guys know that overall we should be seeing upward growth, and not just Shiba Inu, but other cryptocurrencies as well. Like for instance, let's go over to the homepage and just look at, the cryptocurrency market, and take a look at just everything. Everything is doing pretty good today. However, if you take a look at something like Bitcoin, for instance, right? We are looking at even more growth, and it has been continuously going up, which is amazing for us. However, we need to see it break more resistances. So so look at how the top level is here at around $50,000. If we go ahead and look at TradingView, it makes it a little clearer for us because we get to see the candlesticks. At least for me, I like candlesticks. I don't know about everybody else, but for me, I like candlesticks. We have not seen it reach this level since early September, and it is reapproaching that level. We can also see that there is a major kind of support / resistance level here, and I will draw that line for you guys. Let's go from here over to here. And you can see that it has hit this mark once, twice. Around this level is a normal place for it to hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, even right here, you see it come up a little bit. 5, and it is now approaching it a 6th time. And generally speaking, we don't want to see it hit the same support or resistance level too many times, because it makes it even stronger. I guess you want to see it hit the same support level, but you don't want to see it resist at the same level multiple times, because generally speaking, that makes it stronger. And that means that not only can it explode downwards at a really rapid pace, but hopefully we can see it explode above, but it's less likely because that's just how the market works. But going back to this homepage, as you can see, the overall market is up. So it's just going and going and going for everything. Dogecoin's doing pretty well today. It's up 10%. But as you can see, it's a lot of green. And like I said, overall markets move together. I've said that, and I'll continue to say that until I'm blue in the face. But as you can see right here, Shiba Inu making its previous look really small because of how much it is going up, which it had been consolidating for quite a while, let's be honest. But we are seeing huge pumps right now, which is awesome for us. Market cap sitting at 7.3 billion, which is amazing. Hopefully we can see that double again, because it was just sitting around 3 to 4 billion. So if we can see that start to pump up around, I don't know, 15 billion, 14 billion again, that would be incredible. What we also want to take a look at is overall market cap over the period of time. So it generally looks about the same as the price action. However, these numbers do really matter, especially when you go to start comparing it to other cryptocurrencies. For instance, if we come down to Dogecoin right here and you take a look at what it is looking like, we can see that market cap plays a major role here. So if we go back let's go a year to date, right? When it is low market cap at this 1 billion, even here is up into the 7 billion, kind of where SHIB is right now, we could see a huge explosion up to these $100 billion market cap areas. If we start to see a trend like that for Shiba Inu, we will see a huge spike in price and then end up looking like the price action that happened to Shiba Inu, or to Dogecoin, where it hit these high numbers and almost reached $1. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the chart analysis, and we'll close out with just a overall market cap and an overall market overview and what to be thinking of moving forward. Okay guys, so to end out today's video, basically to take away everything, and if anything you learned in today's video, I want you to walk away with this. Although everything looks great right now and just the overall Shiba Inu update is a good thing today, that does not mean that tomorrow we may not see a pullback. That does not mean that if we do see a pullback, that means it's time to sell or just be done with it. It means that it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. As I showed you on the chart earlier, we saw consolidation and then a push, and then consolidation and then a push. A part of consolidation is coming down. It's going up and then coming down, coming up and then coming down. That is what it is all about. So if we start to see some retracing, meaning it's coming back from a previous level, that does not mean that it's a bad thing. And historically and hopefully overall, we will see a big push up in Q4, being where we are approaching and joining right now from October to December, Q4. So if we are seeing this fourth quarter and we are expecting it to perform like how it has previous times and many times over and over again in history, hopefully we see a big push in Shiba Inu, especially with its Robinhood listing. And not saying that the Robinhood listing is going to be everything, it just depends on how the overall community and world sees this as an opportunity or not. That's kind of the unfortunate part. Like Robinhood and a lot of other companies and a lot of people believe that Shiba Inu is like Dogecoin. So if it is treated as such, and a lot of people buy into it, hoping that they can recreate the gains that people made on Dogecoin and do the same thing with Shiba Inu, honestly, we could see a huge pump and we could see things literally go to the moon. But one other thing that I spoke about yesterday that I'll speak about again today is that there will be a burn with the listing of Robinhood. Just like how every other listing has been, there will be another burn because that is what the developers have said that they're gonna do. When there's new listings, there will be big burns. Hopefully we will see a huge burn with the Robinhood listing, and that will absolutely skyrocket the price. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If there's anything you wanna know about Shiba Inu, this is the place for you. If this is anything that you want to know about the overall crypto market, the overall stock markets, real estate, all types of stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, because I will be posting about overall stock market, overall cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, and other cryptocurrencies. If you guys enjoyed, like I said, like, and let me know what other stuff you guys want to see down in the comments below, and I will be making videos on those. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.